This was from Moda's Project Jelly Roll. The pattern we used is free on our website. It's under our digital patterns. It's called Jelly Roll Race to the Finish. This is featuring Cheer and Merriment, designed by Fancy That Design House. So we had Lori from Honeycomb Quilts do all the quilting for us. She also did the binding. And if you look closer on the stitching, there's actually poinsettias on it. We'll probably have a little overlay of that so you can look closely at that. And as you saw in the past video, hopefully, all of us had a hand in it. If you didn't see it, it should be in the description down below. There should be a link to the video of us completing this. So yeah, just wanted to show the final product and yeah, thanks for watching.